My good people of Odiolowo Local Council Development Area. My name is Razak Ajala, Executive Chairman, Odiolowo Local Council Development Area. Coronavirus is a pandemic disease that is ravaging the globe. As of today, we have recorded over 100,000 deaths, 1,500,000 cases. A lot of my countrymen and women have been affected. Lagos State is the epicenter of this deadly virus in Nigeria. They have recorded over 150 cases and 7 deaths.
Lagos State government, under the leadership of our amiable governor, Mr. Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu, has taken some proactive measures to contain the spread of this disease. Our local government, as an integral part of the state government, has also taken some steps to complement the effort of the federal government and the leading role being played by the Lagos State government in preventing the escalation of this pandemic virus. The first step we took was to convene the meeting of the stakeholders to sensitize, educate and inform them about this deadly virus and what they need to do, particularly in the area of personal hygiene and social distancing, to prevent the escalation of this pandemic virus. Our subsequent meeting with the security agencies, medical personnel and environmental health workers took a far-reaching decision that led to the establishment of a dedicated platform where issues relating to this pandemic virus can be transmitted for escalation to the appropriate agency of government for needful and immediate action. We equally embark on aggressive advocacy through our motorized campaign to get to all the nooks and crannies of our local government so as to sensitize, educate and inform our people on the need to adhere strictly to state directive, particularly in the area of personal hygiene and social distancing. Hand sanitizers and leaflets containing the information about this pandemic virus were distributed to the members of the public. Posters were pasted within the community and billboards were erected in strategic locations within the various communities that make up Odiolowo Local Council Development Area. We went to various churches, mosques and other public places within the local council development area with the security personnel to ensure compliance with the presidential directive on lockdown. With the support of Lagos State government, I directed the Department of Environment to disinfect all public places and streets within the local council development area so as to curb the spread of this pandemic. As of today, over 80 streets have been disinfected and we intend to get to all the nooks and crannies of the local council development area. The result of the lockdown has taken its toll on our people, particularly those that live on daily income. Hence, the institution of stimulus package by Lagos State government tagged Lagos State COVID-19 Emergency Food Response Program that is targeted at 200,000 vulnerable households across the local government and local council development area within the state. To complement the effort of Lagos State government in this regard, we came up with our stimulus package tagged Odiolowo COVID-19 Food Support Program that is designed to run in 2 phases and reach 6,000 most vulnerable households in the local council development area. The first phase of the program was designed to ensure that the beneficiary is all inclusive. Hence, the distributions was handled by the representative of the community development associations and major religious organizations in the local council development area. 250 most vulnerable households benefited in each of the political wards. The second phase of the program was designed to reach special people, widows, elderly, indigent market men and women, artisans, essential workers, among several others. It is our responsibility as government to ensure public health and public safety. I want to make a passionate appeal to our people to always adhere strictly to all government directives. Practicing social distancing and washing our hands regularly is the only practicable solution for now to defeat this deadly virus. It's also your responsibility as patriotic citizen to inform government if you notice any of COVID-19 symptoms through the following phone numbers that appear on the screen. Thank you. Always stay safe.